It's been almost 3 months since my father passed away, and in all that time, I haven't really been home. My house became a place I only visited, but I never stayed. A space frozen in the life I left behind on May 20th. I like to call it a cold Tuesday morning. Today, I decided to come back, not just to sweep and scrub floors this time, but to face the silence, to sit in the stillness I've been avoiding, basically to face my fears. Before I stepped inside, I let myself stand in the rain. I heard it was therapeutic. I also heard it was a way to wash away the heaviness. I don't even know how true that is. Maybe I hoped the drops could reach places tears couldn't, and for a moment, it felt like the sky was crying with me, honestly. Inside, dust had settled where my laughter used to be. I didn't have dirty dishes, but of course, dust covered the clean dishes I had washed before. Everything just seemed strange. Each corner of my house was just different. Guys, grief is strange. It empties you. It leaves you behind a weight you can't carry everywhere. Coming back here felt like lifting that weight one breath at a time, and it's crazy. It's not easy. This minute you are fine, the next minute you are missing the person. It's really crazy, trust me. But I'm learning that cleaning is not just about restoring a home. It's also about restoring parts of yourself you thought you had lost. Every wipe counter, every rearranged chair, every open window. It's like I'm making a space for life to return, and maybe, just maybe, for me to return to. I miss my father so much. I really, really miss him. But it's sad to say this is my reality now, and this is how life works. You never can tell, so I'd like to advise you watching this video. Be kind, live your life, serve God, believe in God, because you never know when you're going to die. I had spoke to my father a day before he died. I was down, really down. He was consoling me. I didn't know he was going to die less than 24 hours after consoling me. That's how life works. To you watching this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like my video, share, and enjoy the rest of the video.